Hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the Las Vegas economy and how it's doing with the COVID-19 pandemic still going on here in September 2020, and how it will affect the Las Vegas housing market. This video may be a little bit longer than my others, but let's get into it. With the unemployment hovering around 20%, the economy here is not going to sustain doing well for too much longer. MGM officially laid off 18,000 people this past Monday. Although that number is for the entire company around the world, the vast majority of those positions were here in the Las Vegas Valley. There's a rumor floating around that there could be as much as an additional 9,000 people laid off as well. And it's not just MGM being affected. There are still many resort properties closed here in the Las Vegas area, including 4 on the Las Vegas Strip. And those that are open aren't necessarily fully open. In many cases, such as the Palazzo, the casino's open, but the hotel is only open on the weekends. And that's true for several properties in the area. Also, the convention business is obviously huge for Las Vegas, and conventions have been canceled for the remainder of 2020, and conventions for 2021 are beginning to be canceled as well, currently well into February at this point. Not including hotel and resort workers, the convention business employs tens of thousands of people, probably between 30 and 40,000 to be exact. And those people are all here in the Las Vegas Valley. So the big question is, all this going on, how does it affect the real estate market? At this point, it really has remained unaffected with the pandemic going on. Average sales have been 4,000 per month here in the Las Vegas Valley, and that's a great number for any time. So keeping in mind that my crystal ball is completely broken, this is strictly my opinion. However, I do feel that the current housing market is unable to sustain the current sales. Currently, inventory remains low, and a vast majority of the sales are coming from people moving here from other states, especially California, where people realize they can continue to keep the same job and work from home. So they're taking advantage of the lower cost of living here in the Las Vegas area while keeping their same pay rate with the same job. This can only continue for so long. I do expect inventory of homes to begin to increase over the next 30 to 60 days and buyer demand start to curb a little bit. And I do want to stress, I don't see a huge market crash coming in real estate anytime soon. However, I do see a turn in the market where we'll see prices begin to drop in some neighborhoods, and it is strictly going to be supply and demand. So if some neighborhoods have a lot of homes for sale on the market, they're probably going to see drops in those particular areas. I do think a drop in prices of 5% is possible around the entire Las Vegas area. Hopefully it'll be short-lived and things will start to go back to normal by the end of 2021. And hopefully we can get a little more normalcy in our lives as well. That's it. That's all I have to say currently, and I will keep you updated as time goes on. Hopefully we won't see those prices drop. But with the current economy the way it is, and our unemployment being so high, there definitely are some concerns. Have a great day.